Get ready with me as I transform into Catwoman. It's an easy costume look if you're invited to a costume party or a Halloween party. You just need a red lip, cat ears, don't forget to put a little bit of black mascara on your lashes to make your eyes pop. That's a good look. Eyeliner, you color in your nose and add your whiskers. Last but definitely not least, I'm wearing a torrid full-length crushed velvet long one piece to complete my outfit. My costume, simply perfect, darling. Perfect. Now let's get to the appetizers. Get their taste buds tingling with these delicious appetizers when you attend a party. Taco cups, I guess. It's gonna be ground beef. I got cilantro, carrot, green onion, celery that's going in it, avocado, eggs. Let's get started. Let's wash some veggies. Got a plate full of cilantro, green onion, and celery. If you want to get your veggies clean, you need veggie wash. So let's squirt veggie wash on my veggies. I love veggie wash. All right, let's wash off our veggies. Thank you, veggie wash. So the veggies are washed. We got celery, green onion, cilantro, and we're gonna be putting some carrots in it as well. I have the slap chopper that's gonna be slap chopping my veggies. So all right, they're in there. They are in there, and let's. They're too full, but it works. Yeah, I'm cutting carrots. I'm chopping carrots. And they're chopped. So let's dump them in the bowl. So I'll cut them like that, put them in. These are gonna be delicious. I gotta think of a name what I'm gonna be calling these. My first time making them. So we'll see. I'll think of a name when they turn out, if they turn out right. If not, it's just gonna be some food. And that's just what matters. As long as I'm feeding me and my daughter, that's what matters. My hand's getting tired. That's what the slab chopper was supposed to do. Reduce the fatigue of all this slicing and dicing. But the cilantro smells good and fresh. So we'll add the cilantro to the bowl. So we got carrots. We got carrots and cilantro. Next, so I'm doing things different this time with the chopper. I put celery in there and I didn't put so much because maybe I was overstuffing it. So let's give it a chance to redeem itself. Here we go. Okay, moment of truth. These are small, but I kind of want them smaller, so I'll just do it by hand. That's fine. You know, I didn't put it in a food processor or anything. Work on cutting these smaller to add to my mix. Then we'll add the hamburger meat. I'm gonna add avocado. I'm gonna crack these 2 eggs, and then I'm gonna put them in wonton wrappers. But that's okay. So now we're gonna add it to the egg. We're gonna add it to the carrots, the celery to the carrots, the cilantro. Next, we're gonna cut up the avocado. I love avocado. I love avocado. I love it so much. Please be a good fresh avocado, please. I just got this a couple days ago. It's really ripe. Ooh, beautiful. I love avocados. I love avocados. Avocado. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're so beautiful. All right, so let's get this sliced and diced. How do you slice your avocado? I go down and I cube it across, like a long ways, length and width, and then I squeeze. I feel it's an effective method. That's how I slice and dice my avocado. Okay, so I got my gloves on because I really don't like dealing with hamburger meat with my hands. So we're gonna have the hamburger meat, put it in the bowl here. Very good. May I have you open the wonton wrappers, please? Thank you. And then I have my 2 eggs. Let's crack these. Shouldn't let them fill in my bowl. Some tough eggs. Wow. All right. That time I dropped the gel in there. Okay. So now we got the 2 eggs. And we are going to mix the egg and the hamburger meat. I want you to bring all the seasonings over. I need you to pour it in because now my egg, I don't want to waste another pair of gloves. Season salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. You could bring a little taco seasoning. Ooh, it feels good with the gloves and the egg yolk, mixing it in. Feels good. I'm glad I got gloves on. I prefer it. So now I just gotta take the gloves off and still wash your hands. Come on with the seasonings. My sous chef is gonna come over here and help season it up because I have meaty gloves, and I don't want to touch the seasoning container, so I'm limited on how many gloves I have left. Wow, you can load it. Got the black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, very good. Ooh, you brought some cumin. You brought some cumin. Oh, and soy sauce, okay. Here we go. Bottoms up, go ahead, put it in the bowl. I'm gonna mix it in. All right, perfect. Soy sauce. Nice, nice. That's some soy sauce. Oh, you got seasoned salt on me. He gave me a little bit of flavor. He's put seasoned salt on my lap. He seasoned me. It's okay. They'll see you. That's funny. He gave me a little flavor. Thank you. Thank you. Original taco seasoning. Fantastic. Okay, what else you got for me? Garlic powder. Excellent, excellent. One of my favorites. All right. I'm making, I don't have a name for it yet, but meat and veggies and some wonton wrappers baked in the oven with some cheese on top.
Almost sabotaged it, the top was loose.
Ooh. All right, so the hamburger's nice and seasoned. We're gonna add it to our veggies. Cilantro, green onions, celery, carrots. And we're gonna mix, and we got 2 eggs and all the yummy seasonings, and we're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna put it in the wonton wrappers. Got the butter spray, so I'm gonna finish mixing that. Gonna spray the pan with the butter spray. Gonna put the wrappers in each tin. We're gonna make it work. They're open cupped. They're not gonna be closed, and the filling is gonna go inside. It's looking good already. All right, so we got all the wonton wraps in the tray. Now I'm gonna scoop the mix in and bake it. So I decided I'm gonna cook it on the stove and then add it to the wonton cups, just to make sure and thoroughly that the hamburger meat is cooked. Spray the wontons with butter. Once the hamburger meat gets cooked, we'll put it in there and put some cheese on it. Put it in the oven. Thank you. The hamburger meat is ready. Smells delicious. Here are the wontons. They've been sitting here waiting for the meat. All right, so now I'm gonna scoop the meat that has all the goodies in it into the wonton wrappers, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven, 350, because it's already pre-cooked in the skillet. So 350 for 15 minutes, because it's already pre-cooked. This is looking delicious already. I love it. It smells good. Then I'm gonna top it off with cheese and green onions. Even though there's green onions inside, it's always good to have it on the outside as well. This is delicious. I'm very pleased. That's what it's looking like so far. This spoon is a perfect size scoop for the wonton wrappers. I already sprayed them with a little butter spray to help them cook. I'm just sitting here with a spray, and it's a little bit warm in the house. It's like they adhere to perfect size. And then once these are cooked, I'm gonna make a second batch. And yeah, these are great appetizers for any Halloween party. So we've got those. Now I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese on each of them. We're gonna put the cheese on it. Yeah, these will be perfect appetizers for any Halloween party. Got the cheese on top, and we're gonna put some green onions on the top. Out the oven. They look delicious. I'm gonna put them on the tray. And there you have it, a perfect appetizer for a Halloween party. Yum. Take a picture. Let's see how it tastes. What goes perfect on these is some sour cream. So we got a new fresh batch. And this time I'm gonna add some sour cream. And it's bussin' with the sour cream. You can't forget the sour cream. Oh my gosh. That turned it up a lot of notches with the sour cream. And busting with the sour cream. Very good, huh? You're sure to have their taste buds tingling with that delicious treat. Have fun at your Halloween party and be safe. Bye.